Good day, my friends. Let's learn something new today.
Hello, English learners. Let's dive into the fascinating world of questions. Questions are an essential part of communication. They help us gather information, clarify doubts, and engage in meaningful conversations. Today, we'll explore the different types of questions and how to use them effectively. Questions help us talk to each other. They are the building blocks of interaction. Whether you're meeting someone new or discussing a topic with friends, questions keep the conversation flowing. They show that you're interested and engaged. We use questions to find out things. For example, if you're curious about someone's favorite book, you might ask, "What is your favorite book?" This not only helps you learn more about the person, but also opens up new avenues for discussion. We can ask, "Where is the cat?" This type of question helps us locate things or people. It's especially useful when you're trying to find something specific. We can ask, "What is your name?" So many questions. This is a basic question that helps us get to know someone. It's often one of the first questions we ask when meeting new people. In English, we use special words to ask questions. These words are known as question words or interrogatives. They help us frame our questions correctly and get the information we need. We use words like where, what, who, how, and why. Each of these words serves a different purpose. Where helps us ask about locations. What is used for objects or information. Who is for people. How is for methods or processes. And why helps us understand reasons. These words help us ask about different things. They make our questions more specific and clear. For example, how do you make a cake? Is much more specific than just asking about cakes in general. Are you ready to start? Let's get excited about asking questions. The more questions you ask, the more you'll learn and the better you'll become at communicating in English. Let's learn how to ask great questions in English. By the end of this lesson, you'll be equipped with the skills to ask clear, effective questions that will enhance your conversations and help you connect with others. To ask questions, we need is, am, and are. These are small but important words. We use is with he, she, it, and singular nouns. Is he happy? Is the cat sleeping? We use am with I. Am I late? We use are with you, we, they, and plural nouns. Are you ready? Are the flowers blooming? Remember these words. They will help you ask so many questions. Where helps us ask about places. Where is something? Let's see. Question, where is the book? Answer, on the table. Question, where is the dog? Answer, in the garden. See how we use is with where. We can ask about anything. Where is the park? Where is the school? Have fun asking where questions. Section 4, asking what. What helps us ask about things? What is something? Let's find out. Question, what is your name? Answer, my name is John. Question, what is that sound? Answer, it's a bird singing. We use is with what to ask about names, things, and more. What is your favorite color? What is the weather like today? Keep asking. Section 5, asking who. Who helps us ask about people? Who is someone? Let's ask. Question, who is that woman? Answer, she is my teacher. Question, who is your friend? Answer, he is a doctor. We find out about people with who. Who is your neighbor? Who is your favorite singer? There's so much to learn about people. Section 6, asking how and why. In this section, we will explore the importance of asking questions that start with how and why. These questions help us understand the world around us in a deeper and more meaningful way. How asks about the way something is done. It helps us understand the process or method behind an action. For example, when you ask, how do you solve this math problem? You are seeking to understand the steps involved in finding the solution. Why asks for a reason. It helps us understand the cause or purpose behind an action or event. For instance, when you ask, why is the sky blue? You're looking for the scientific explanation behind the phenomenon. Let's look at more examples. Question, how are you? This is a common question we ask to check on someone's well-being. It shows that we care about their current state. Answer: I am fine, thank you. This is a polite and positive response that lets the other person know you are doing well. Question: why are you late? This question seeks to understand the reason behind someone's tardiness. It helps us identify any issues that may have caused the delay. Answer: because I missed the bus. This response provides a clear reason for the lateness, allowing us to understand the situation better. How and why give us more information. They help us dig deeper into the details and understand the underlying factors. By asking these questions, we become more informed and knowledgeable. How do you cook pasta? This question seeks to understand the steps involved in preparing a dish. It helps us learn new recipes and cooking techniques. Why is the sky blue? This question encourages curiosity and scientific inquiry. Keep asking and learning. By continuously asking how and why, we can expand our knowledge and satisfy our curiosity about the world around us. Section 7. Keep practicing. You've learned how to use is, am, and are with question words. These are fundamental building blocks in English grammar, and mastering them is crucial for forming correct sentences. Now it's time to practice. Practice is the key to becoming proficient in any language. Ask yourself these questions regularly to reinforce your learning and build confidence. Where is my phone? This simple question helps you get used to using is in everyday situations. What is my favorite food? Asking about your preferences is a great way to practice using is with different subjects. Who is my best friend? This question helps you practice using is with people, making your conversations more personal and engaging. How do I say hello in another language? Learning greetings in different languages can be fun and useful, and it helps you understand the structure of questions better. Why is it important to learn English? Reflecting on the importance of English can motivate you to keep practicing and improving your skills. The more you practice, the more confident you will become in English. Confidence comes from familiarity and repetition, so don't be afraid to make mistakes and learn from them. Keep asking questions, keep learning, and have fun with English. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to fluency. Enjoy the process and celebrate your progress along the way.